ओह गॉड, इतनी गर्मी है। ओके, क्या क्या नहीं करना पड़ता। डन। Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So I am also doing fine, but I do have only a little bit tiny bump over here because if you know, I got bitten by these bees. But I'm doing much better now, and I hope that you guys are also doing good. So in this video we are going to talk about the skincare and hair care products which I received in the past 6 months to 1 year, and today I am going to review all of it for you guys because I think that we get things in PR or it's a barter collab. I don't want to be dishonest with you guys, so I have a lot of products. You guys can't even imagine, I have so many products. So what I have decided is that I am going to talk about each and every product. But before that, if you are coming for the very first time on my channel and you see this face for the very first time, make sure you are subscribed, like this video and comment as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so you might hear a little bit of fan ka noise because it is super hot in Delhi and humid wala weather ho chuka hai. Can't help it, so a little bit of fan is moving around in the background, so I hope that that's okay with you all. Agar maine ye band kar diya, so the everything I will be melting, I know. And also I'm not applying a lot of makeup. I am applying makeup, but I'm not applying any base makeup because I feel ki I don't want to aggravate this area. And abhi bhi, if you can see, there is some white patch here and I want it to heal completely. That's why I wasn't shooting any video, and trust me, मैं इतना बोर हो गई थी, and not bored, I would say that I was missing YouTube and Instagram so much, so I thought let me do this video क्योंकि इसमें we are not going to talk about skincare or we are not going to talk about makeup, but we are going to talk about a lot of skincare and hair care. ठीक है, I have lot many products, so let's jump into the video. There might be some products जो मैं इस वीडियो में इंक्लूड करना भूल गई हूँ. अगर मुझे याद आया तो I will do a part 2 of it. And ये सारे जो products हैं ये मुझे barter collab या PR में सेंड किए गए थे. So I am reviewing all of these products one by one. मैंने अपने चैनल पे separate review सबका किया हुआ है more or less. So if you want you can watch that review as well. उनमें मैंने सिर्फ अपना 1 week का experience आपके साथ share किया है. So guys, talking about the very first product, तो मुझे डॉक्टर शेथ की तरफ से ये दोनों serums रिसीव हुए थे. So one is this Amla VC 20% serum and the other one is the Scintilla Niacinamide serum. Now if you see जो ये आंवला वाला serum है, that is vitamin C, this is completely over. This is over. I think एक drop बचा होगा. Yeah, this is completely over. You can see. तो ये मैंने पूरा खत्म कर दिया है. And Niacinamide वाला भी थोड़ा सा बचा है. I think इतू सा बचा है, तो ये भी खत्म हो जाएगा. Now talking about these two serums, vitamin C जो है मुझे बहुत जल्दी सूट नहीं करता. I tend to get a lot of redness. But when I used this vitamin C serum, it really helped my skin in brightening up. I'm so sad that it is over. I really wanted to buy this. So maybe I will be buying this in near future. And it is really good. It worked amazingly on my skin. Did not break me out. Did not make my face red. What I loved about it. And सबसे अच्छी बात इसकी ये थी that इसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा fragrance नहीं है. I mean ये तो I think fragrance free है. And this is a little bit white in consistency, in color as well. तो बस उसका मुझे issue है. Otherwise I really loved the vitamin C serum. If you want to watch detailed review, product के बारे में कि product कैसा है, क्या क्या ingredients, I would request you to go and watch the previous video जो कि मैंने इन पे बनाया है, क्योंकि मैं एक product का बहुत डिटेल में नहीं बता सकती, otherwise this video will be super long. I am sweating profusely fan चलने के बाद भी because I have these lights on my face. So talking about the niacinamide serum, now this niacinamide serum is again I feel that it's really good क्योंकि मैंने इसको यूज किया तो मेरी जो redness है that really got curbed. And I love Dr. Sheth's product. मैंने पहले भी उनके products यूज किए हुए हैं, तो I have a very nice experience with them. तो मेरे को काफी सही लगा niacinamide serum भी. However, I would say that ये sweat को बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रोल नहीं करता है and open pores को भी बहुत ज्यादा shrink तो नहीं करता. But I have noticed कि अगर आपको redness की problem है ना face के around, जैसे मुझे भी ना इधर बहुत ज्यादा redness हो जाती है, तो this serum works the best in that case. I love using this serum in the morning time. ये खत्म होने वाला है, तो I'm very sad about it. So these two gets thumbs up from me. You can definitely go ahead and buy them. Now talking about one more product by Dr. Sheth, ये इनका on the go cleansing spray है. Now I did not like this product that much because I felt जो oil based makeup होता है ये उसको उतने अच्छे से नहीं रिमूव कर पाता. This is good for if you have a little bit of waterproof or the makeup which is not waterproof, तो उसको ये बहुत अच्छे से निकाल देगा. Otherwise I really didn't like it that much. It is okay-ish. I am talking about the skincare products first and then I will move towards the hair care product. Now the next thing which I have is the Clovia Botanica Pink Clay Mask. So I did receive a few products from Clovia Botanica when they launched this line. So this is their pink mask and let me show you how much have I used. So you can see I have used this much. Smells really good. Smells like rose petals and clay and chandan. So फ्रेग्रेंस वाइज काफी अच्छा है. So the thing is, I did use it. So I loved it because you know why? क्योंकि इसके अंदर वाला जो clay है ना, that is I think pink clay. So that makes your face not very tightened, but at the same time it will clean your face. It will clean your deep pores. And if I have to tell you that it has seaweed and pomegranate, so इससे बहुत ज़्यादा glow आता है. Once you apply this and then you remove it, it just gives you an amazing glow. So I really loved it. So you can definitely check it out. Guys, now talking about a brand जिसका collab भी मुझे आया था, तो I'm talking about this Pilgrim skincare brand. So I did receive their face cream जो कि day face cream है, and the toner, and I also received the face wash. Again that is finished, तो मुझे नहीं पता where I have kept it. Talking about the face wash is good, not very good I would say. It might aggravate your acne क्योंकि उसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा fragrance है. This range in specific, that is the red wine face mist toner, like face mist, और ये जो red wine का जो उनका collection था, जो उन्होंने if I'm not wrong थोड़े टाइम पहले ही launch किया था. So now talking about the face wash, like I said, so that is not suitable for sensitive skin. That's what I felt. However, if you have super oily skin, you can definitely use that क्योंकि बहुत अच्छे से आपके face को clean कर देगा. Now talking about the toner, again मुझे एक ही problem है इस पूरे brand से, that it is super fragrant. I mean बहुत ज़्यादा fragrance है, and इसका जो spray है, everything that's really good. I also use this as a body mist क्योंकि इसमें इतना fragrance है. That is the only reason that I don't use it that much, because whenever I use products with fragrance, मेरा जो face है वो बहुत red हो जाता है. This thing which I like from their range is their cream, that is their vitamin C SPF 30 cream, vitamin C and rosehip oil. You can see that I am about to get over it क्योंकि ये देखो इतना सही बचा हुआ है इसमें. Now इसकी जो fragrance I love, and I really love using this cream especially in the daytime because it is super lightweight. So definitely thumbs up for this. For the toner and for the face wash, definitely you can get better face wash and toner in the market. So I won't recommend those. Okay, now next is a brand which was very close to my heart because I never thought that I would be able to receive PR from that brand. So I'm talking about Kama Ayurveda. I have 4 products, so let me go one by one. So the very first thing which I have is the Rose and Jasmine Cleanser. Oh my god, I mean people raved about this cleanser, and I know now why they raved about it, because this is a really good cleanser. It just smells amazing. It is super lightweight on your skin, and yeah, this will not remove all of your makeup, but it is very good if you use it in the morning time. Very good for sensitive skin, so definitely and ye from my side. And the next one is their rose water, which is about to get over. उसमें बस एक ही spritz बचा हुआ है. Now talking about this one, again I loved it but this is very expensive, so I would definitely not repurchase it because I don't know. I mean, it worked really nice, don't get me wrong, and I think the other brands which are making rose water, this one is premium and luxury, and loved it, but it is again very expensive, so won't buy it, but I recommend this. Moving ahead, I have this Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Brightening Ayurvedic Face Scrub. Now that's how it looks like. So if you see here, this much of product is left. The only problem is that I don't use scrub a lot. I mean physical exfoliation मैं अब नहीं करती. I do chemical exfoliation. So for that I haven't used it, but it is very good for someone, for men especially, because they have rough skin. So for them it is really good because my husband also used it, so I know. But if you are someone who is having a lot of acne, or if you're having a very fine skin like me, so I think you should definitely stay away from this because it might break you out. So that's the thing, I would not recommend this. Next one is this Kama Ayurveda Brightening and Rejuvenating Cream. This is a night cream, and to your surprise and to my surprise, this is going to get over. Now it does smell like chandan and kesar wala, kesar and haldi wala जो कॉम्प्लेन आता है ना, जो दूध आता है, वो पिस्ता केसर की जो स्मेल होती है, वो वैसी स्मेल है इसमें. But this is amazing. This is very thick, so I loved using this, especially in less hotter months. And I used to apply this at night. My face used to feel super duper good and used to feel so good. I mean so soft. So definitely recommend it. It is a little expensive, so check out that. Otherwise it is amazing, I feel. Now talking about a brand which also sent me a lot of products, but उसके ना कुछ products मैंने अपनी मम्मी को दे दिए थे, तो I don't have all of them. So this is Mother Sparsh Ultra Rich Face Wash. Now इनका जो रेंज था Mother Sparsh वाला, उसमें से मुझे वो बॉडी बटर बहुत अच्छा लगा था, एंड उनकी आई क्रीम मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. This one is like okay product, I don't like it that much, so you can definitely give it a pass. So the body butter and the eye cream was really nice from this. One more brand जो कि जिन्होंने मुझे product send किया था, but I used it half and then I gave it to my mother, and I loved using their product. So I will be popping the picture of that particular product. So the very first product which I'm talking about is by Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. So this was their sunscreen, and this was in the spray form. Oh, I can't tell you that how much I enjoyed using that, but because I am using Recvill's one now, so I gave that to my mom. Needed a sunscreen, so I give that sunscreen to my mom. Now the thing was that it was in a spray form. I have done a video, you can check it out. So it is really lightweight. So if you're someone who is having, you know, acne prone and very oily skin, definitely go for that. It is super duper lightweight and comfortable. Best part is the spray. Second one I got was the niacinamide serum, that is O2C2 serum. Again, I loved using it. Like you have to use a moisturizer after that. So again, I would highly recommend you that product as well. Okay, I think now there are two more products which I will quickly talk about. Now this is the Sugandha. I know the label is not there, but this is from Sugandha. This is their makeup remover, yes, in the form of oil, squalene oil. Now this is so good. This is better than anything I have used so far because it is in the oil form and very thin oil form. So once you apply it, it just breaks all of your makeup. And you know, when you take any other tissue and you want to wipe like a few remnants of makeup, you won't find any remnants because this is so good. This just makes everything so better. Okay, the next product is by Plum. This is their Plum E-Luminance Makeup Remover. Now this is how it looks like, and as you can tell that I am about to get over this as well. So it does have a fragrance. Now I loved using this. I still use it. So I use this and this, sometimes this as well. So again, very good for removing your makeup, and this is an exact dupe for the Clinique one, and I think this is better, and you get a lot of quantity in this. I mean, look at it, you get a lot of quantity. So amazing, highly recommend. I think you have seen this product in many of my videos. So this is the L'Oreal Revitalift, and if you are following me, you know that this product, I hate this product. This has so much of fragrance in it. I really don't promote anything on my channel which is which has so much of fragrance in it, and you know, which people think is really good, but I think it's not good because you can see the amount of product I have used to test it out, but I really didn't like it, didn't work for me. However, I like to use it on my hands and you know, legs, so as to get over this product because I really don't like wasting products. Last thing in skincare is the Body Alchemy Rose Water Mist. This is how it looks like. Now this is a very simple rose water, so they just sent me this and I like it because this does have a really nice fragrance, and this works the normal rose water, nothing extra about it, so you can go for this. Again, this is cheap as well. So this retails for $4.99, but you get offer all the time, and this is 200 ml product, so amazing. To the oils and shampoo. So the very first brand which approached me, I think last year or this year, I don't remember exactly, was Clovia Botanica. Now I did use their hair fall shampoo and their hair fall conditioner. Okay, this is how it looks like. So now when I had COVID, after that, post COVID, I had a lot of hair fall. Yeah, this is of this year only. So this brand reached out to me, so I said yes to their product. Now this is the shampoo and conditioner. I started using Clovia shampoo, and to my surprise, it did curb my hair fall. And you see, this is over, and I do have a brand new pack of the shampoo. I ordered this because I love the shampoo and conditioner both. I generally don't like any shampoo and conditioner. Conditioner का छोड़ दो, shampoo बहुत जल्दी से मुझे पसंद नहीं आता. But this shampoo, to my surprise, was super good. It was super good. तभी मैंने दूसरा मंगाया. I mean, कभी नहीं होता कि मैं hair products मंगाती हूँ बहुत जल्दी से. Amazing one. Must try if you are having a hair fall. And the conditioner is also good. It just makes your hair very smooth and soft. Your product ये थोड़ा सा गंदा है, थोड़ा सा messy हो रखा है because it's an oil. So this is the 10-in-1 oil hair fall control oil. तो मैं ये use कर रही हूँ. देख रहे हो? It's like मैंने इतना कितना use किया है इसको because I love this oil. I freaking love this oil. So all these 3 products from Clovia. ये super affordable brand and super good as well. Free from all the chemicals and all. Now coming to one brand, I think I haven't reviewed this brand. I mean, ये जो इनके hair care product है. So I have the hair care range from Mother's First. So I have their cleanser, their oil, their hair lip and conditioner. So let's start with the cleanser. Or this is their oil, 30 herbs oil. Talking about this oil, is very lightweight, and I kind of like this oil because it is very lightweight and it has 30 herbs in it. So definitely it does give all the nourishment to my scalp. So definitely yeah for the oil. Now coming to the cleanser, this is Jabba Push cleanser. Now again, all of these are natural, that I can vouch for क्योंकि पता लग जाता है use करके. Now talking about the hair cleanser, the only problem is if you are using a heavy hair oil like Clovia वाला, अगर आप hair oil use करोगे ना, so you will need a lot of shampoo to clean your hair. तो उस वजह से मुझे ये shampoo इतना पसंद नहीं है. But if you are someone who don't oil your hair that heavily, then you can go for it. Now talking about the hair conditioner, so मुझे ये okay लगा. मुझे जो इनका hair care range है ना, okay लगा. Like frankly speaking, I didn't like it that much. उनका ये hair lip भी है जो कि मैंने एक बार I think 2-3 बार use किया है. I I'm okay with all of these 4 products because I'm not in love with them, and I tried using them, but I did not like them. That's why I just got Clovia's new shampoo. That was a big video, guys. Long video, huge video. I hope you are watching. If you're watching till here, let me know which brand you like the most or you have used. Let me know in the comment section. And I'm just waiting for me to get a little bit better. I just want this to vanish. So इस वजह से I am not wearing a lot of makeup also. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, you know what you have to do. You have to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you guys in my next video, and yeah, I love you guys a lot. Bye.